Each pilot has accelerated his aircraft to 500 miles per hour and will execute a 1/2 Cuban 8 reversal turn back to the flight line. As they pull up and over the top, you should be able to follow the individual smoke trails as all 6 pilots simultaneously roll their aircraft 180 degrees and head back towards center point. From 6 different directions, with maximum speed and minimum separation, they'll converge on center point and cross with a combined closure rate of nearly 1,000 miles per hour.
Shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck. The reason that you had
is now making their approach to the flight line for their final maneuver, the Delta Breakout. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Blue Angels 2008.